Oh, where's my father? I can't find my father. I know. I'll just make the right noise. But I don't know the noise that a Webkinz duck makes. Oh well, I'm finding him by myself. Hi, Mr. Pig. Oink, oink. Quoink, quoink. Quoink. What? That's not right? No. Well, you don't have to be so rude about it. Hi, Mr. Chicken. Bark, bark, bark. Quack, quack, quack. Quack. What? That's not right? No. Oh. Hi, Mr. Cow. Moo. Quo. Quo. What? That's not right? No. Oh. Hi, Mrs. Pink and White Dog. Arf, arf, arf. Quarf, quarf, quarf. What? That's not right? No. You're a dumb duck. Jeez, you don't have to be so mean about it. I'm never going to find my father. I've got cookies, Clarice. Snacks, oh boy, snacks. That's fun. Quacks, quacks. Oh, hi there, little duck. What are you still doing here? I want the cookies. Yeah, but I want to talk to the duck in private, so here, take the cookies, now go. Okay. Whee! Hello, little duck. I saw your father over there. Where over there? No, over there. What, over here? No, over there. What, over here? No, over there. Oh, thank you. Where's my daughter? I can't find my daughter. Dad! Flipper! Oh, I'm so happy to find you. Quack, quack. Quack? Quack! I got it right! I got the right Webkinz Noises right! Yeah, oh yeah, I got it right. Well, now say goodbye to the viewers. Oh, bye viewers!